Here's the baby birds. There's 3 of them in this brood here. Hopefully the camera stays focused on them and doesn't focus on the screen here too much. They were flapping their wings and their parents were feeding them. I'm hoping they come back while I'm filming this so you can see it. They may not if they see me standing here though. Pretty cute. Yeah, it looks like they see me, so they don't want to feed them while I'm standing here. I was hoping I could get a little view of that if I back up here.